I still can't get over this. This is just beautiful. Beautiful. So we're about to go to the gym. I actually look like Terminator. There's like a whole fitness center. Oh, here it is. Ooh. Oh my god, you can train me in here. Yes. Sick. No.
Alright.
He's training me up. Oh, they're doing a workout. This is a joke. So we have been very shit with recording anything that we've been doing. I'm very sorry, but we just want to enjoy our time. Johnny is just getting ready because we are going to an all-white party. So this is my outfit. This is his all-white outfit.
Yes, you are.
Hey, look at this. There's activities every single day that we've been here. It's been insane. We've just been so preoccupied. We've had a good time, haven't we?
It's amazing.
Yeah, honestly, it's too good to be true. There's 5 restaurants here. I haven't said that before, but there's just so many options. I don't know what the white party's gonna have involved, but I guess we're gonna find out. Are you excited? I actually am.
Very excited.
Let us go.
Yeah, let's go sleep. You want to just do that?
Okay, so what are we doing today?
And we're going on a little adventure.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the Pitons, the volcanic springs, a bit of scuba diving, and I'm very excited. We're gonna have some island food, which is gonna be actually so good because the food's been so amazing this whole trip. I think, hasn't it?
Yes.
We're going on a boat.
I want to say a pleasant good morning to everybody, and I want to officially welcome you guys to our beautiful island, St. Lucia. As you are looking at them, they look very close to each other, but they are 1 mile apart.
Like, how is this real? We literally went snorkeling over there. How cool was that?
So cool.
And now we're just drinking rum punch. I know. Wow. Wow. How is this real? Where the hell are we?
In paradise.
Genuinely?
Freedom. These were the French who have the guillotine, but they don't practice it anymore.
Oh, wow.
Alright, guys, our swimsuits.
Okay.
How many steps is this thing?
We just went in the mud baths Feeling very fresh, very clean.
Yes.
Loving life. Our friends that we just met. Waterfall right now. Look at this little fishy. Look at that. Look at that. Celebrate.
Don't hit the cliff.
Thank you. So we are back from our excursion. We had such a good time, I must say. If you are coming to the Royalton or even any resort, please go see the Pitons, go to the volcanic springs and go eat some good chicken from the local restaurants. They are so freaking good. We had such a good time. We may have drunk a bit too much rum and beer. A little bit. But it's okay. It's vacation, baby. It's what you gotta do. Bye-bye.